This is just a simple and classy way to prep your okra soup. I know you've been prepping okra soup all this while, but you've never tried this method. So I'm gonna get a pan, and into my pan I pour some palm oil. Yes, I'll be needing palm oil for this. And I add my onions to build up flavor, and then I'm gonna add my pepper mix. This pepper mix has cayenne pepper and then the normal fresh pepper. So this is me trying to build up flavor, and I'm gonna be using Titus fish for this recipe. Remember, it is simple yet classy. So I'm not gonna parboil my Titus. I'm gonna put it straight into like I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna add crayfish, a little bit of crayfish, because I won't be using seasoning cubes for this recipe. So now that the flavor is building up, I allow that simmer a while. In goes my salt. Now is the perfect time to add water. This water is going to be enough for me to cook this delicious recipe. So in goes my okra. This is okra blended with onions and little fresh pepper. Now is the perfect time to introduce my uziza leaves. Uziza leaves is very flavorful and it's gonna add flavor to this recipe. So the next thing, while that has cooked a bit, I add my oil bean, a little crayfish. I allow that simmer a bit, and I add my periwinkle. This is a must. In goes my fresh crayfish, guys. This is giving classy. This is low budget but classy. Now I'm gonna add okra, my diced okra. Finally, my ugu leaves. This is looking delicious. This is simple yet classy and looks rich. So this is how I'm gonna serve. So I'm gonna serve with fufu. You know what fufu is? Cassava flour. And look at it, guys. This is inviting. This is classy. This is simple yet classy. Now, if at this point you are still here, I guess you subscribe to get more videos, get more amazing recipes. Guys, I am enjoying this meal. This is so delicious. This seems like the perfect way to make okra soup. Alright, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.